It's time for Neck of the Woods with your hosts, Tom and Veronica.
Hi, I'm Veronica Bell.
And I'm Tom Morris.
And you're watching...
And you're watching Neck of the Woods. That's my line. That is always
I thought we were going to share it.
Well, obviously not. How about them sports? What do you got for us, Veronica?
Thanks, Tom.
You're welcome.
Can I?
Of course.
The Cincinnati Bengals have...
Uh-oh, would you take a look at that? Looks like it's kitten o'clock. Let's take a look at some kittens.
You have cat to be kidding me right now.
This is Lenny. Say hi, Veronica.
Hi, Lenny.
Lenny here is a 3-month-old. He's a bit of a rascal. He likes pizza, milk, and sleeping. Hey, you know who else loves sleeping?
Who?
Tony!
Tony!
What? It's time to wake up now, Tony. You've been asleep so long.
Come on, Tony. Just wake up and get out of there.
Come on, Tony. It's time to wake up.
Wake up, Tony. You gotta wake up. Everything will be just fine if you just get up.
It's time, Tony. Come on, let's wake up. Tony, it's time to wake up, man. You've been sleeping so long.
It's time to wake up, Tony.
Come on, Tony. Time to wake up.
Wake up, Tony.
Classic.
Wake up.